morning, my students, dear students, viewers. शुभ प्रातः काल हर व्यूअर्सों के लिए। आज मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के किस तरह से आपको डिफरेंट फार्मूला सिखाना है, वो किस तरह से डेराइव करना है, वो मैं सिखाऊंगा। तो आज का जो चैप्टर बनता है वह है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। अब ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करने से पहले हमें एक चीज का ज्ञान अवश्य होना चाहिए, वो है so he is the inventor of trigonometry and be called as father of trigonometry. He is none but his name is Hipparchus of Nicaea. Already we have learned in our earlier class that sine of a plus b is equals to sine a. Let me write here on the board. Sine of a plus b. We know that it is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. And also we know that sine of a minus b equals to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So we have learned this. So now if we add these two equation, make it here add symbol, then what we get here is sine a plus b plus sine a minus b equals to, this 2 gets cancelled out, we get here 2 sine a cos b. So this is one of the most important formula while we trigonometrical function. Now instead of this, my dear, let us assume that we are going to subtract here instead of addition. Then what we get? Let us see. Then what we get from here? From here we get sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. Now since here is minus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, so automatically what happens? This get cancelled off, isn't it? So we get 2 cos a sine b. So this is one more important formula. Now one more thing we are going to do it is, we also know that cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Again, let us add this to equation. So what we get is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equals to, this 2 gets cancelled off, we get here 2 cos a cos b. This is another important formula number 3, transformation formula number 3. Now suppose instead of this adding, if we do here subtraction, then what we get here? Suppose if we do subtraction, then what we get here? We get here cos a plus b minus cos a minus b equals to, since we are doing minus here, this becomes minus and this becomes minus, so this 2 gets cancelled off. So finally what we get here is minus 2 sine a sine b. So now taking the sign over this side, we get here cos a minus b minus cos a plus b equals to 2 sine a sine b. This is the formula number 4. This is a very important formula. Now let's go for the next transformation in trigonometry. Now coming to the transformation number 2. So we'll find out here. Already we know that 2 sine A cos B is equals to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So let us take A plus B as C, A plus B as C and A minus B as D. Now if we add this, what we get is 2A is equals to C plus D, A is equals to C plus D by 2. Similarly, if you subtract here, then we get 2B equals to C minus D, B equals to C minus D by 2. Now putting the values of this, then what we get it here, we get it from here is 2 sine C. Instead of A, we can write C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. Instead of B, we can write C minus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 is equals to, instead of A plus B, we can write here C sin C plus sin D. So this is the fifth transformation which we can derive it out. So simultaneously we had the different, I am going to write it on the board. Okay. Already we have learned how to do this problem and how to solve this type of problems. Now one more transformation was 2 cos A sin B is equals to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So this transformation already we have done in the previous one. So we get the answer this. So instead of writing A plus B, we are writing C, and A minus B we are writing D. So we are getting this is one more formula. Similarly, we can go with this derivation, and as well as minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, sin C minus D by 2 is equal to cos C minus cos D. Suppose if we want to change this, if it becomes D minus C, then the sign would have been changed over here. Then this could have been written as 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin, this would have been D minus C by 2 is equals to cos C minus cos D. As your examinations is coming very near, so one more thing I am going to say about one example. I will show how to use this formula in different questions. For example, I will make you understand one question. The question is, one of the question is given here, sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A by sin cos A plus cos 3A plus cos 5A is equals to tan 3A. So such type of questions, how you have to. So just now I have gone through the transformation. So we'll go with the transformation. See here in the right hand side, you must see here 3A, and here numerator we have 3A, denominator also we have 3A. So let us take 3A common from upper portion and from the denominator as well. So how do we take this one? So rearranging this question LHS, we can rearrange this as sin 5A plus sin A plus sin 3A. First you have to rearrange in this way, by cos 5A plus cos A plus cos 3A. Just now we have read that cos sin C plus sin D. What we know that sin C plus sin D means 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So from here we get 2 sin C plus D, that means 5A plus A, 6A, 6A by 2 is 3A, cos C minus D by 2, that is 5A minus A, 4A, 4A by 2, that is 2A, cos 2A plus sin 3A. Whole divided by, similarly this we get 2 cos 3A cos C plus cos D, that is cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, that is cos 2a plus cos 3a. Now see here, from this 2 we are getting sin 3a as a common. So we are right here sin 3a as a common, taking 2 cos 2a plus 1 whole divided by, like that, cos 3a as a common, write down here cos 3a, we get 2 cos 2a plus 1. This gets cancelled off. Sin 3a by cos 3a is tan 3a, which is equals to RHS. It's a very simple, my dear. So try to understand this type of questions in your 11th standard. It will be very helpful in 12th standard as well. Thank you.